Hello fellow X-designers. It's really great to see discussions activities in FRC community at larger scale. Some people might have completed their designs and just want to beautify them. Have you guys wondered how we can assign colors or insert textures? If you haven't figured that out, I would like to show some quick and smart ways to add color and texture to your model in XDesign. Firstly, let's see how to assign colors. When you open an assembly or a part, on the left hand side you can see Design Manager. Design Manager is simply a design tree which consists sub-assemblies, parts, corresponding planes, sketches, and various features. In xDesign, you can color parts, sub-assemblies as you would like. Basically, you have to click once to select particular component right on their name. The pop-up will show several shortcut feature keys. Locate a circle with 4 different pieces. This feature facilitates color assignment to components. After you click on this dial, you will see default palette colors at the bottom, color field on the left, and RGB scale with its code denoted in hashtag. Either you can go for default color or you can customize color as you need. That was about colors. While we are working on adding texture mapping capabilities to xDesign, here is a smart way of giving feel to your design. I downloaded some pictures of gold foil paper so as to wrap it around rover and give an impression of reflective coating used on spacecrafts and satellites. Do you want to learn how to insert pictures? Let's go to Tools tab from xDesign feature bar. Here you can find Insert Picture option. Click on it. Choose File from your folders and then select a plain surface on which you want to paste it. This might not result in a perfect fit to selected plain surface, and you guessed it right. You can resize it by dragging peripheral bubbles, and for that you need to zoom in or zoom out first. The bubble in the middle will help you move the picture. Can you see there is an annular ring outside of middle bubble? This is for rotation of picture. Besides this, picture insertion feature allows you to lock its aspect ratio, flip image about X and Y axis, and you can set transparency of that image. I followed these same steps for color and image insertion. Moreover, I turned on perspective view feature from View tab. Chose black background. Finally, moon surface picture resulted this look. I hope this gives you some idea to play around. I'll be glad to assist on xDesign questions. Write your comments, questions to this video. Until then, have a good one.